this is not good. This is not good. Now next track, Verified featuring Mayokun. It's good.
Hey, of Lagos, Scanny, Sir, Kiki, run. Oh yeah, put your lighters up if you know say you go represent. Ah wow, okay, you get the evidence. Too much color onto intelligence. Social media don't be real life, but confirm. Share you see, we dey verify.
Okay, this song sounds very, very, very noisy right now. There's nothing smooth about it. The fact that the fact that Mayokun is even ad-libbing to it, it feels not organized. Doesn't feel. It's not smooth, man. It's not smooth. It's not sounding smooth on this one. I'm not liking what I'm hearing so far, man.
Too much color onto intelligence. Social media don't be real life, but confirm. Share you see, we dey verify.
The production too, man. The production too, like it feels very plasticky and very like you can hear that you think we're building up to something with the drum rolls, but the drum rolls even sound like it's just not. It just maybe the mixing something. It's just missing something, man. It's just sounding a little too scanty for me, man.
Share you see, we dey verify. Share you see, we dey verify. Share you see, we dey verify.
This not sound like a good Mayokun moment. I'm not gonna lie. Like Mayokun is not like he's just half-assing his presence here. Like his ad libs are not helping. It's making the experience even worse. And Lekon as well. Almost he feels very monotonous and how he's saying it. Like he has no. Not sounding good, man. It's not slapping. This sounds.
To play. I'm on my grind. Who's on the line? On your mark, I'm ready to go.
Not the log drums too, but Mayokun is. This is not a good moment for Mayokun. I'm not gonna lie. It feels very. It feels quite a. It feels like a watered down Mayokun that I'm hearing, man. It just doesn't.
Come on, take your baby, your woman.
This is not good. This is not good. Yo, this is very difficult to listen, man. I'll be completely honest, man. Like, nah, it's not. It feels very lousy. The hook is bad. The hook is bad, man. The hook is bad. The pace of it is so boring. The way they're even singing as if they're not, they sound forced to be on the song. They don't even seem convinced with what they're saying. Like there's no like the energy is just off from both of them, man. It's just off.
Bruh, I'm on a new level. Never I'm fresh, it's impossible. No be competition, we take qualify. Make I get the clean up, make I sanitize. From the west to the south to the east. Even Aboki, they dance to the beat. VIP, lifestyle, classy. Share you see when we move with the beat like the gang. Okay, to you and Legba. Verified, confirm.
Yeah, that was not a good moment. That was not a good Mayokun moment. That was not a good Lekon moment. It just all didn't come together nicely. I feel like the hook is just, at least for my first listen, at least it just sounds scattered. It just sounds very scanty. Not too much intentionality here from both ends. The hook is mind-numbing to listen to, especially what feels like Lekon just talking over a washed-up Mayokun. It just doesn't make any, like, the composition is just off, man. It was just bad. It was just a bad song, man. It wasn't good. I didn't like what I heard. Hopefully next track makes up for it. All Over Me.